Welcome back. Contribution of mining to state GDP will increase substantially by 2025. Employment in most of the mining states will increase by 1 to 2%. Contribution of royalty will be 40 to 70%. This was mentioned in the strategy paper of Unlocking the Potential of the Indian Mineral Sector. The main objective of the Mines Ministry is to promote scientific exploration for expanding the mineral reserves in India to its full potential.
The contribution of Goa mining industry to the GDP will be 14.2%, the number of jobs generated will be 50,000 and royalty earned by the government will be up to 1,500 crores by the year 2025. This is the diagram from the Union Ministry of Mines strategy paper that documents the expected growth of the industry of the top 7 mining states including Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Orissa, Rajasthan, Karnataka, Goa, Andhra Pradesh by 2025. The paper stresses the need for authorities to address permit delays by reducing permit timelines for mining leases from 5 to 8 years to below 2 years, to reduce uncertainty in time and outcome while awarding permits for mining. A joint exercise with the MOEF has to be conducted to jointly rationalize the process and speed up forest and environment clearances. The objective of the Mines Ministry is to define a legislative and non-legislative framework to promote optimal utilization of India's mineral resources for its industrial growth and socio-economic development. Also to develop geoscientific partnership with the state governments, industry and other stakeholders for the management of mineral resources and development of mineral-based industries. Bureau Report, Prudent.
The Maharashtrapati Gomantak Party in its Golden Jubilee year has decided to regain its golden glory. The MGP has resolved to bring in few amendments in the constitution of the party. They will start building the organization in all 40 constituencies while they continue alliance with the BJP.
The long-running MG party in last few decades have lost its glory and hold on masses. Some of its members have switched from party to another. Their vote share declined, but they have succeeded in retaining their symbol. Now members of the party have decided to bring few amendments in its constitution.
30 कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सींचेर आणि 9 सेंट्रल कमिटी अपॉइंट करतले. इतकी वर्सां 50 वर्सां जाली आमचे कावन्सिलर्स, झेडपी मेंबर्स किंवा पंच मेंबर्स हांकां रिप्रेझेंटेशन नाशिल्लें. ते मेंबर्सूच म्हणून आसताले सादे. पूण आमी आज ठराव घेवन तांकां एक्टिव्ह मेंबर्स करपाचें ठरयलें.
MGP has its central committee election every 3 years. This year, the election will be held in December.
इलेक्शना खातीर जे आमकां आम सभेचे मेंबर जाय ते आम सभेचे मेंबरा खातीर आमी प्रत्येक मतदारसंघान वचून आमच्यो मतदारसंघ समिती स्थापन करता.
One person from each constituency will be selected as central committee representative.
प्रत्येक मतदारसंघाक रिप्रेझेंटेशन मेळटलें हो आमचो एक विचार आनी त्या प्रमाणे आज त्या सेंट्रल कमिटीन हांकां मान्यता दिल्ली आसा.
MGP has pledged to retain its hold in Goa and increase its membership in all the constituencies. Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.